Welcome to Pixton.com. This is where you're going to go and create a comic strip online. The first thing you're going to do is log into Pixton.com, click on the Fun button, and then log in. You'll have two options once you go to the login screen. It will prompt you to either sign up or you can log in if you already have an account. So you're going to have to choose if you don't or do have an account already. Once you're logged in, your first screen will be this screen. What we're going to do to create a new comic is click on Create. Underneath Create, you'll see Create a Comic. After you click on Create a Comic, we are going to use the Sunday Funnies. Under the Sunday Funnies, you're going to see a lot of different options. And since we are going to want a 6-screen frame, I'm going to click on 6-screen frame. And then it's going to bring me to this page. This is where I'm going to create my comic strip. Up here, I can change my title. And then below is where I'm going to start working in my screen. So you have different options. The first thing you might want to do is figure out what character is appropriate for you. If you want a male or a female, someone young, someone old, if you want a dog. So there are a few different options. So I'm going to pick her. Now, if I want to change her position and have her change direction, I can click on the corners. I can also make her bigger or smaller, depending on how I want my scene to look. If I go to Expressions, I can change different features about her, or I can go to the preset expressions to find something that makes me happy. The next thing I want to do is maybe change how she's going to look. You can click and drag on different parts of the body to make them go how you want them to be. And you can choose, or you can go to the preset poses down here and pick something that works for you. The next thing that you're going to want to do is maybe you want to edit their color or coloring. So if you click and hold, it'll bring you to different options, and you can change the colors of their clothing, you can change the colors of their hair, you can even change skin tones. So all of that will be up to you. After you're done editing your person, you're going to have options of adding backgrounds, adding props, oops, I have my prop in the wrong spot. There we go. And you can see how if you make a mistake, you can always go back and fix it. And actually, there's a soccer baller already in that screen, so I may even want to delete this and move her over so she's kicking the soccer ball, but you can change however you wish. The last thing you're going to do is add your text box. Over here are your different modules, and if I want to just click Edit Text, I can type in my information. And then, as you notice, the box is going to get bigger as the text gets bigger, so I may find that I need to move either my box, or I may even want to move my character. So you'll have to make the decision. If I like the scene and I want to continue using this character, I can copy and paste the scene just by right-clicking and click Copy Scene. Then I move it to my next square. And I can continue all the way through, and I can make changes along the way. So today you're going to work on how to use Pixton and work on your comic. At the end, you're going to want to click Save for Later. You don't want to lose your work that you've done each day. That way, you know that you can go back to it. When you log in your next time, you can go over to Me and click on My Comics, and it'll bring you back to this page where all of your comics are. You can find yours and work from there. I hope you enjoy making Pixton comics, and if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask.